Good day guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to install Photoprism on TrueNAS Scale, the perfect way to manage your photo collection with AI-powered features, all on your own server. So firstly guys, of course, make sure to log in into TrueNAS Scale dashboard. Make sure you're on the version 24.04 or later for smooth app support. Go to System Settings, General, and set a pool for apps if you haven't. Pick an SSD or HDD with space. Add the apps from the main menu, click Discover Apps, and search for Photoprism. You'll see the official version pop up. After that, guys, step number 2, hit Install. Keep the default name or tweak it like Photoprism 2025. Scroll to Storage and Persistence, add 3 host paths, import for uploads, storage for app data, and originals for your photo library. Point these to data sets. I use /mnc/tank/photos/originals for my pics. Set permissions to the apps, user UID 568, then click Save to deploy. Now wait a minute, it's spinning up. Once it's active, click the Web Portal button to open Photoprism. Log in, defaults admin/admin321, and change that password pronto under Settings. Head to Library, hit Index, and watch it scan your Originals folder. It'll tag and sort everything automatically. And that's it, guys. Photoprism's running on TrueNAS now. Prep your system, install with custom parts, configure, and enjoy your photo hub. Guys, got it working? Drop your setup in the comments and like and subscribe for more TrueNAS tricks. See you next time.